Hello guys, I bet you're wondering why I'm in the fridge. Well, today we're going to be tasting some Angry Bird fruit. So I can reach them. Oh, I can't seem to reach them. Hold on a sec. I have an idea. Okay, there are only two more left, so I'm going to spring them on the table. And I don't know. Can you see my hand? Brilliant. So here they are. Upside down. So if it's the same. They're both peach yogurt. If you see a bit of white at the side, for example this one, that'll be my eagle. So ready? Let's pick. I'm closing my. Oh, I picked this one. Let's take it in the bed. Where's the camera shot? Where's the camera? Okay. Tell me if I've got it the right way up. Okay, well, I think I've got my eagle. Yay! I was right. I didn't even look. I just had a guess. And it was so. It's peach. And now we're going to taste it. Sorry about my knees. Can you see it? Good. Now let's taste it. Okay, I've undone it. These are really easy to undo. Now let's taste it. Oh, wow, that is really nice yogurt. It is peach flavour. Taste it again. Oh, it's very nice yogurt. So I hope you like this video. And he says, "Behold, gaze upon mighty eagle." And it says Mighty Eagle up there. And I have watched the Angry Birds movie, so I know who Mighty Eagle is. I've got to go soon. I'm going Van Hague's today. I might take a video of that. Of course, everyone will be looking at me. Not if I'm a YouTuber. I might take a video of the horses that I might feed. So that was that yogurt down. Now let's look at bombs. Oh my god, that's really going to see. It's got a got funnel, I think. So let's quickly taste this. Oh, I'm going to sit down and look at a magazine. Oh, there's a shark on there. Oh, we shouldn't have seen that. Anyway, you can look at my daily to calm me down from that shark attack. Yeah. I've undone it. So it's bomb, and he is saying party foul or foul, I'm not sure. Let's taste it. It's really good. Oh, that's not like 50 seconds. Oh goodness, you're scaring me. Okay, here's bomb. Party foul, and it says bomb at the top. And it's peach flavour, so let's taste it again, even though it is peach. Same as my Eagle, but maybe a little more peachy. They all have their flavours, I guess. I've eaten a lot of it. Do you want to see me taste it?
Oh, come on, Joshua.
Sorry about my little brother running away, so finished that off. I've eaten a lot of characters today, including Bomb and Matty Eagle. Didn't know I could eat an eagle or a bomb. How amazing. So I'm now going to say bye-bye, and the doggies are too. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye-bye-bye. Hello, bye-bye. I want to get a picture of myself. Bye-bye. My name is Nibbles. Bye. And my brother is Nuggets. There's Nuggets.